Hi traders, today is 12th of November 2019. We are now live trading crude oil market. At this moment, we are on the buy position, but seems didn't good. We are floating about minus 18 ticks or 19 ticks, sorry, 16 ticks, and we have a $2 in position size. Okay, it seems like was a big three. A big red candle been appeared during the beginning of 8 a.m. New York time, and this doesn't look good for our position because it is near to the stop loss. This is my entry, and since the London session, so this is a live broadcast signal. We entered to the market earlier during London session, but market seems again sideways for 2 days. Okay, I guess no luck for today also. Yesterday minus 24, so today we are about looking at minus 23 ticks. So let's focus. Hopefully a small chance for a reversal. So let's wait for a couple of minutes to see the direction. Is there any changes, or they will go for further downward price movement? All right, traders, from negative now positive. We are back to the positive. Just now almost hit the TP, sorry, almost hit the stop loss, which is the stop loss is around oh, that's nice. We almost exit the market. This is a live trading. Time now is 9:02 a.m. New York time. So this is a volume from US session kick in. So we almost hit the TP area. It was a very strong candle at this moment, and you can see from the smaller time frame as well. This is quite a big candle can be seen here. So I'm expecting the market to reach 57.50 because there's a high volume waiting at 57.50, which is around 115. This is a quite typical player waiting here, and also 57.40 as well, a very high volume waiting. So hope the market keep going up. Okay, then we can remove the stop loss to the break even, I guess. So from my live trading signal, okay, so from my live trading signal, I've given out the instruction that the order already filled, and now we need to advise oh, the market did drop quite a lot. So it's from the high of 39, so now it's 29. So let's wait because our TP is not far. It should be just a few ticks away, around 20 more ticks. So let's have some patience, so we can remove a stop loss to the better high, which is at 57.00. So I've will send out a signal. Okay, just as a trailing stop. So because we almost near to the TP area, so we can move our stop loss. So at this moment looks like sideways movement. It's quite clear that the market went for sideways for during the London session, and after US session begin, then it tried to go further up. So this is a good one. So let's wait. Hopefully can exit early profit now is because this one is a 2 lot size, it's around 46 ticks. I think we can exit profit anywhere. So let's wait. So this is my TP target, which is at 57.49. I think the market will make a minor pullback before going further up. This is quite typical because it tried already break the previous high. I mean, not the high, but the lower high, and try to make a new trend under a smaller time frame. So this might be another pullback, maybe a small one. That's what I'm expecting at this moment. You can still see the high today is at 57.40. If you wanna Q 57.35 is quite high as well. Almost 199.95. So just keep looking at this volume. You try to create a demand on the higher price area, and quite high at 57.50, 147, and also we can see 57.60 also is quite high, around 81 Q at this moment, and we are expecting for another higher price level waiting on the higher side, which is to be around 57.74 or 57.76 should be that kind of area. So as I mentioned, possible pullback at this moment before it goes further up. So looks like the market tried to make a new high, and this breakover of the new high might provide a good opportunity for the bullish movement throughout the US session time. So need to have some patience. So I need to remove my stop loss first to 57.00. So the risk now is around 13 ticks, and we are in the profit around 150 US dollar or 300 US dollar. So no trading for ES tonight. Still waiting for the signal to be appear for ES market. Okay, it's quite clear. A pullback been formed. Just repeating. So this is a pullback. So I'm expecting for the market to go for the high. Just in case if the price reverses back to this area, then have to consider to let it go, because the profit target still far away at this moment. I have reached nearer. It's 40, but seems like I tried to make a pullback, so we have to wait more time to wait until it hit the TP area. The profit now is 240 instead. Just now we have reached around 400 plus US dollar in profit. So let's wait. It's still in the pullback situation. I hope the price will not go further down, because as you can see, looks like a pullback to me and reach a new low, and the next one should be the upper price movement. That's what I'm expected, but this is my entry. It's too near after the 400 plus profit, so now remaining is around 200. So let's wait maybe another 1 hour, we can finish this trade. Okay, let's wait. Could be this is the one. Can go for the further high. So this is time frame 5 minutes, so the candle will look pretty much aggressive, but just a small few ticks, just a psychology effect. So the TP still remain at 57.49. So let's take a look on the volume. Okay, 57.40, we have the high volume of 100 plus. Okay, 57.33, watch at this price level, quite high. 57.35 so sure got hit pretty easily. So we're expecting for the market to break through. So 57.50, 140 on the upper side, so not much to be seen at this moment. So 57.40, so we will exit at 57.49. So the market keep climbing up, looks good. So the profit now is 400 and 500. Oh, what happened? What happened? You go to 44 and snapback. Okay, I will exit. Something's not right. Can it go further up? I'm not sure why. I think you guys can rewind a few seconds behind. I think I will exit first. Oh, so I just exit the position. So the market spike and reverse. It was a sharp one, but uh, it's a good entry. But seems like the market spike and try to reverse back. So we can see this kind of spike just now at 57.44 while we are waiting the very high volume entering the market. So profit only 220 US dollar. I think that's it. uh, it's very hard to exit. So 57.40 is a good price level, I guess, just now. So let's settle down for a while, and maybe there will be another signal for London session. So that's win. I think that's all for today. Thank you for watching. We'll continue live from my YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye bye.